Hey everyone, this is Sudhir Shivam. Today we are going to make a conversation with our little champ. He is only 12 years old and he is studying in 6th standard, but he is so confident and he will give the answer of my question confidently. Let's start the video. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Sachin Yadav.
Sachin Yadav. Okay, Sachin, in which class do you study?
I study in class 6th,
Class 6th. Okay, I want to know the name of your school. In which school do you study?
the Oxford Higher Secondary School.
Oh, great. I want to know your age. What is your age?
My age is 12 years old.
12 years old. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Okay, what
elder
is
brother.
okay? What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Tanish Yadav.
Tanish Yadav. Okay. I want to know the profession of your mother. In which field does your mother working?
My mother is working in the teaching field.
Okay. In which school does she teach?
She teach in the Modi school.
Modi school. Okay. I forget to ask you. How are you doing?
I am doing great.
Okay. I want to know from you what do you do?
I have done my exams, so I am totally free.
Okay.
So I am utilizing my time. I have joined the coaching of the spoken English class
Okay.
at the Vision Institute.
Okay. Where is the Vision Institute?
Where the Vision Institute in the English Pura.
English Pura. Okay. The next question of me: what is the reason to join English classes, and why do you want to learn English?
I want to the reason of that the reason of the English class that I have joined, because the English class is very important for us and every student, because the English is most important
Language.
language.
What special things do you do in your free time, apart of studies? Apart of studying, what things do you like most?
I like most to play games and my hobbies, to
Okay.
complete my hobbies and join their classes.
Okay. I am going to the another question.
Yes, sir.
What kind of life do you want to spend after getting a job, government job?
I want to spend my life. I want to spend a luxury life, and I want to buy my dream car,
Okay.
Range Rover, and my favorite bike,
Favorite bike. Okay. Which is your favorite bike?
GT Continental.
GT Continental. Can you tell me what is the price of GT Continental?
The price of GT Continental is 3,64,000.
3,64,000 of a bike.
Yes, sir.
And the price of car?
The price of car maybe
2 crore.
2,000 crores.
No. About 2 crore. Okay. We will check it from Google. What are the big concern of you about your family?
Big concern. The two big concern about my family is that I have a elder brother. He is now in 10th class.
Okay.
And he is not studying very well. So this is the concern of my family.
Okay, but I think this is not your concern. This is the concern of your family because you are thinking about your brother. That's great. Okay, I want to know about your weakness.
Weakness. No weakness.
I think you should express something.
Yes, many times I do not explain very well in front of the peoples.
Okay.
This is my weakness.
Okay. Do you like to spend your time with your friends or family members?
Family members.
Okay. The last and the final question of today. You are learning English. So how many hours do you practice?
I practice 2 to 3 hours for the English.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for giving the answer of
Thank
this
you,
question.
sir.